So, ayan guys, ready na ako sa aking flight for tonight. So, mamayang gabi yung aking flight. So, ready na din ako sa aking mga documentation. So, meron akong passport. Ayan. Actually, kaka-renew lang to eh. So, ito yung bagong 10 years validity. So, ayan. Ayan. Tadaan! And then, meron na rin akong One Health Pass. Dahil isa din to sa mga requirement. One Health Pass. And then, nakapag-PCR test na rin ako, which is, ito yon negative. And then, dala ko na rin, na-print ko na rin ang aking vaccination certificate. Ito ay notarized by Singapore SJ. And of course, meron na rin akong ticket. So far, ito lang naman ang kailangan pag umuwi ng Pilipinas. Vaccination certificate, and PCR test negative, and yung QR code, yung One Health Pass na ginagawa natin online, which is ito. So, yan. Kompleto na siya. Nandito na siya sa isang file ko. Ayan, nilagay ko na siya para ready to go na. Ready to go mambo. Saka yung luggage. Ito. And yun naman ay isang malaki kong luggage. So, 30 kg and 7 kg for hand carry. So, laman lang naman ng aking hand carry ay ang aking laptop at ang aking mga handphone. So, ganun. So, see you Philippines later. Yeah. Kukunin natin yung aking luggage. Right to the left and to the right. Ayan, ang aking luggage guys. So, yan ang aking malaking luggage. Luggage. Ready. Hindi ko alam kung nasa na yung Jetstar. Tara, timbang muna tayo kung ilan. Okay. So yan, timbangin natin itong aming maliit. 8 28 and 28 kg. So actually 30 yung kinuha ko eh. Yan yung aking departure. So yan yung mga requirement. Ayan. So Jetstar ako. So magpipilag tayo ng form. So pwede na ako mag-check-in doon. Ayan, ready. Ito tayo sa departure. Ayan. See you Philippines. Pumila na sila. Ako mamaya na kasi may hirap pag nakatayo. Dito muna ako mag-charge. So, ayan. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Baka wala kang sorry.
Tawag ko yan.
Momentarily before takeoff. The A320 has 8 emergency exits. Look to where the crew is pointing to find your nearest exit. A good way to remember is to count the number of seats between you and the exit. The crew also points out lights at exit path to the error when completing the form, as any false information is liable and punishable in accordance with Philippines law.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at the Ninoy Aquino International